Online?
What's up, Will?
What's up, man?
What's up, Ekum?
Yo!
Fucking done with you.
Dude, I showed up 2 hours or like 3 hours late.
Oh.
I got here faster than you and I live in Seattle.
Yeah, dude, what was that about?
Oh, I got a new shirt, that's why. I see the Led Zeppelin.
Yeah, so that's what took you long, huh?
Yeah, rocking the Led Zeppelin. I don't have my phone on me, so I can't play an introductory song, but...
And we're pretty much gonna install the motor today. We're gonna be replacing this rear main seal. Oh, fuck, I just realized.
You never even got it, huh?
No, I have the seal, but I don't have the pilot bearing tool, so we might have to make an O'Reilly run real quick to get that pilot bearing tool.
These right here will work. Just keep it in. Alright. It's just a sensor, it's replaceable, not in your hand.
I think the whole lift's gonna just get our ass away. I know you guys remember that. Remember the thing? I was on the phone with you.
Oh, yeah.
So right there on the phone, we trying to take this ghetto ass way out.
Lifting.
What is?
The lift is lifting.
Yeah,
We're lifting the lift?
Yeah, we're lifting the lift.
Okay.
What in the world?
Worth a try.
Hey, fuck it, let's just keep going. There's no turning back.
Why is it leaking?
I don't know, it's a piece of shit.
Well, I'm
It's
gonna
only
put,
one and done, you know.
yeah. Fuck it real quick.
Look at this big old fucking junky junk.
Yeah, Rock Auto. It's a good brand. Freaking replaces rear main seal using a dog bowl.
Yeah!
Got the old one out right there. Fucking destroyed.
Yeah.
The ass to take out, dude.
I don't know how to.
Okay, you gotta teach him, bro. You gotta teach the rookie.
Damn, hold mine like this real quick, alright?
Yeah, hold it like
Don't
that.
let it spill.
This is gonna be bad.
I can't wait for this.
This is your first shotgun, bro?
Yeah.
Really?
Holy shit.
Damn, that sucks.
Is that a shark tooth?
It's a saber tooth, bitch.
Oh, fuck.
It's a saber tooth. Here you go, bro. Nice and big.
Word,
You just put it up to your mouth and you crack it and inhale it.
And it just goes in hella fast, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, dude.
You said you want
I never did that.
Fucking hurry. 1, 2, 3, go. Open it, open it, open it. Open it, man.
I said I'll take a warm one.
God his ass.
Oh, bro,
No,
there's
it's
a
on the
hole.
side. What are you doing?
We're live, baby.
Live.
Trying to put this. What kind of clutch is this?
It's a Diamond Racing clutch, stage 2.
Stage 2. How much horsepower can it hold?
Think around.
Oh wait, we don't want to give it away, remember?
Yeah, no,
Fuck those
that's
guys.
fine. Finally figured it out how it goes in, and it's kind of different from the OEM. So let me show you guys what it looks like now.
Look, shucks it.
Oh, it's all in. I will leave the link in the bottom link below for this clutch. I highly recommend. Like I said before, go check them out. Don't forget Diamond Racing.
Don't forget to Loctite your shit.
Damn, bro. Clutch on. You're gonna put this transmission and freaking throw that motor in there. Let's go.
Let's go! You want to hold it like this? I'm just going to hit the alternator.
Just a
Hopefully this slides in easier than a CDO9. Oh, hold on.
Oh, that is so close.
We might need your help.
Hey. This is what slavery looks like. But 10 hours later, still trying to get this in. I think we got it in now. Pretty much over here fixing the threads on the starter unit.
Here. His button's broken and I have my tools on me all the time.
This
Snap
isn't my
on.
gun.
It's a snap-on with a magnetic end in the back, and it's so helpful. Watch. Boom.
Dude, homies.
Yeah, I told him that day. Will was all like,
through.
"We're gonna get this in 5 minutes." And I
Will
was like,
said
no.
5 minutes. He
I
said
said
all
10
day.
hours. Yeah, all day.
It took all day.
The sun's
Honestly,
going down already.
honestly, we had everything lined up. It was just like this transmission gave us so much freaking trouble.
Fuck.
I'm so glad. Just gonna already be kind of putting it in there. You guys want to do that tonight or leave it for another day?
Leave it for another day.
Oh my god, bro, fuck it, let's go. Let's put it in. It's gonna take like 2 seconds. Come on,
No.
Hopefully it goes in today nice and smoothly. We have a special guest in the building.
Yo, what's up, man?
Oh
What's good, bro?
shit, bro, fuck, come here right now. Oh, what the fuck is that leaking?
Gatorade, bro. That's Gatorade.
That's what?
Gatorade.
Oh my god.
Goes up higher anyway.
Start changing that.
Bro,
Yeah.
it's like 80 degrees outside.
Bro, it's never too warm to wear a jacket. Remember that. Yeah, just.
Bro, sketch shit part 2.
Good shit part 2.
But this gun is stronger than I anticipated.
Doesn't give out. I'm fucking suing Harbor Freight. Get all that. What the fuck? I'm taking this back right after.
Look at this shit, bro. Leaking fucking glacier freeze. Freaking Gatorade.
It's not pumping.
Conda forever. What shit is this?
Oh, bro, hurry.
Take this off, man.
Man.
Almost done, bro.
Alright. Anyways, I'll come over there and help you move it. Going? Going? Yeah. So you want to put it downward?
I'm on it like this. Remember?
You good? You going?
I'm actually sweating.
So 10 hours later, we're freaking still trying to get this thing in. I'm struggling to. Whew, as you guys can see, it's almost in. That hose is maxed out going in. We have it jacked up from the bottom, and these motor mounts are giving us a hard time. So we're gonna try some other kind of tricks. I feel drained. You feel drained?
No, I just want to do this and go home.
Almost, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny. Finally got it done. Shout out to these boys.
Yo.
There's no way I could get this in without these two.
Dude.
Thanks, bro.
I told him because we kept rubbing on it, missing it all the time. These chains were put on wrong. We had to readjust the chains.
Yeah, big time. That helped out a lot.
Yeah.
It was like 6 hours probably, all day almost.
I told him I was gonna come at like what, 4 o'clock. I came at 6.
That's like 11 o'clock here, but
Yeah.
motor's in. Everything's good to go. So I'm just gonna figure out the wiring from now on, and start doing tucks and stuff. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, leave it down below, and peace.